Most high tunnel kits are the same. At Bootstrap Farmer, we save money by bending our own hoops with our pole bender. You can save thousands and it only takes a few minutes per hoop. And we've got a step-by-step video and PDF instructional to make the construction simple. Adaptable to all climates. All kits include top-rated materials. NRCS-friendly 6mm plastic with 4-year warranty, spring wire and lock channel for plastic attachment, cross connectors, ground post driver, and all the bolts and screws. Easily add on sidewall hand crank for roll-up sides, pole bender for bending your own hoops, pre-cut and pre-drilled ground post. We'll send you everything except the wood and the metal poles, both of which you can get much cheaper at your local big box store than if we shipped it to you. Finish in as little as 1 weekend by 2 people. For more information, please visit bootstrapfarmer.com.